What is box breathing?
Box breathing is a simple, powerful breathing technique used to reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. It involves inhaling, holding, exhaling, and pausing for equal counts. Often practiced by athletes, first responders, and those facing high-pressure situations, box breathing can help anyone regain control and focus within minutes, making it a useful tool for managing everyday stress.
How box breathing works.
The technique works by calming the nervous system and resetting your breathing pattern. By deliberately controlling each breath, box breathing helps lower your heart rate and reduce stress hormones. This activates your body's relaxation response, improves mental clarity, and can make it easier to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively in stressful situations.
A step-by-step guide.
To try box breathing, start by sitting comfortably. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for another count of 4. Exhale gently through your mouth for 4 counts. Then pause and hold your breath for 4 more counts. Repeat this cycle 3 to 5 times or until you start to feel calmer and more centered.
When and where to use box breathing.
Box breathing can be used whenever you feel anxious, overwhelmed, or need to refocus, whether at work, before a big presentation, or in the middle of a stressful situation. This technique is easy to practice almost anywhere. Taking just a minute or two for conscious breathing can help you respond more effectively to challenges as they arise.
Tips for making box breathing a habit.
To get the most benefit from box breathing, try practicing daily, even when you're not stressed. Set reminders, pair it with your morning routine, or use it before sleep. Over time, this simple technique can strengthen your ability to stay calm and clear-minded, both in tense moments and throughout your daily life.